Have you ever wondered how a dash cam could save you from a sticky situation on the road? Or how it could provide peace of mind when your car is parked? With so many options available, finding the best dash cam can feel overwhelming. Today, we'll break down the top 7 dash cams of 2025, ranking them from good to outstanding. From crystal clear video quality to advanced features like GPS tracking and night vision, we've tested these devices to help you make an informed choice. Let's dive in and find the perfect dash cam for your needs. 7. ROVE R2 4K Pro. The ROVE R2 4K Pro is a budget-friendly dash cam that delivers 4K Ultra HD resolution, making it a solid choice for drivers looking to capture crisp and detailed footage. Its 150 degrees wide-angle lens ensures a broad field of view, reducing blind spots and capturing more of the road ahead. The dash cam also includes features like GPS tracking, dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity, and a G-sensor for detecting collisions or tampering in parking mode. The compact design and suction cup mount make it easy to install and transfer between vehicles, which is ideal for users who drive multiple cars. During our testing, the ROVE R2 4K Pro impressed us with its video quality in well-lit conditions. Daytime footage was vivid and sharp, making it easy to read license plates and road signs. The built-in GPS was quick to connect and provided accurate speed and location data, which can be invaluable in the event of an accident. The smartphone app was another highlight, offering remote access to recordings and settings through Wi-Fi. This made it convenient to download videos directly to a phone for sharing or storage. However, the device does have its limitations. While nighttime footage is decent, it doesn't quite match the clarity of higher-end models. Bright lights from oncoming vehicles sometimes caused glare, making it harder to discern finer details in low-light conditions. Additionally, the user interface on the camera itself felt outdated and less intuitive compared to other options on this list. Navigating menus using physical buttons was cumbersome, and we found ourselves relying heavily on the app for adjustments. Number 6. Miofive Dash Cam. The Miofive Dash Cam is a sleek and compact device that combines style with functionality. It records in 4K Ultra HD resolution, ensuring clear footage of your drives. Its minimalist design allows it to blend seamlessly into your car's interior without obstructing your view. The built-in GPS provides accurate location and speed data, while advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, offer features like lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts. These safety features make it particularly appealing for cautious drivers. In our tests, the Miofive's video quality stood out during daytime driving. The footage was sharp and vibrant, capturing details like license plates with ease. The Dashcam's app integration was another strong point. It allowed us to access recordings, adjust settings, and even download videos directly to our smartphones via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. This level of convenience is a major plus for users who want quick access to their footage. However, the Miofive Dash Cam isn't without flaws. Its parking mode was inconsistent during our testing. While it detected major impacts reliably, smaller bumps often went unnoticed. This could be problematic if you're looking for comprehensive parking surveillance. Additionally, the ADAS features were somewhat hit or miss. They occasionally triggered false alarms during normal driving conditions, such as when navigating narrow streets or passing closely by other vehicles. Another downside is its limited low-light performance compared to some competitors in this price range. Nighttime footage was acceptable, but lacked the clarity needed for capturing finer details under challenging lighting conditions. While these issues don't overshadow its overall performance, they are worth considering if you frequently drive at night or rely heavily on parking mode features. Number 5. Vantrue N4 III. The Vantrue N4 III is one of the most versatile dash cams on the market today, offering triple-channel recording that covers every angle of your vehicle: front 1440p, cabin 1080p, and rear 1080p. This makes it an excellent choice for rideshare drivers or anyone seeking comprehensive coverage for their car. Its Sony Starvis sensors deliver excellent video quality across all 3 cameras, even in low-light conditions. Infrared night vision ensures clear cabin footage in complete darkness, while wide-angle lenses provide expansive views. 155 degrees front-facing, 165 degrees inside cabin, and 160 degrees rear-facing. During our testing, we were impressed by how well the Vantrue N4 handled various lighting conditions. Daytime footage was crisp and detailed across all channels, while nighttime recordings retained clarity without excessive noise or glare from headlights. The supercapacitor power supply deserves special mention. It ensures reliable operation in extreme temperatures ranging from -14 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for drivers in harsh climates. The Vantrue N4 also excels in parking mode with motion detection and collision detection features that automatically start recording when activity is detected near your car. This provides peace of mind when leaving your vehicle unattended for extended periods. However, using parking mode requires additional hardwiring or an external battery pack, a minor inconvenience, but one worth noting if you're not comfortable with DIY installations. One drawback we noticed was cable management due to its multi-camera setup. Installing 3 cameras means dealing with multiple wires that need careful routing to avoid cluttering your car's interior. Additionally, at nearly $380, it's one of the pricier options on this list, though its feature set justifies the cost for those who need all-around protection. Number 4. THINKWARE Q200. The THINKWARE Q200 is a compact and feature-rich dash cam that strikes a balance between affordability and functionality. It records in 2K QHD resolution, 2560x1440 at 30 FPS, ensuring sharp and detailed footage of your drives. The front and rear cameras work together to provide comprehensive coverage, with the rear camera capturing full HD 1080p footage. Its advanced WDR, wide dynamic range, technology enhances contrast and color balance, making it easier to capture crucial details in both bright and low light conditions. The Q200 also offers a 125-degree viewing angle, which minimizes distortion while providing wide road coverage. One of the standout features of the Q200 is its parking surveillance mode, which includes motion detection, impact detection, and time-lapse recording. This ensures your vehicle is monitored even when parked for extended periods. During our testing, we found the time-lapse mode particularly useful for conserving storage space while still documenting activity around the car. Additionally, the Super Night Vision 2.0 technology significantly improves low-light performance, making it easier to capture clear footage in dark environments. The Q200 also excels in safety features. With an optional GPS antenna, sold separately, it provides speed and red light camera alerts, helping drivers avoid potential traffic violations. The ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, features include forward collision warnings and lane departure alerts, further enhancing safety on the road. The THINKWARE Dash Cam Link app is another highlight. It's user-friendly and allows seamless control over settings, video playback, and downloading footage via Wi-Fi. 3. Nextbase 622GW. The Nextbase 622GW is a premium dash cam that sets itself apart with its cutting-edge features and exceptional video quality. It records in stunning 4K resolution at 30 FPS, ensuring crystal-clear footage that captures even the smallest details like license plates and road signs. For those who prioritize smoother videos over resolution, it also offers options to record at 1440p at 60 FPS or 1080p at an impressive 120 FPS for super slow motion playback. Its f1.3 aperture lens with a polarizing filter minimizes glare and reflections, making it ideal for bright daylight conditions. One of its most innovative features is image stabilization technology, which smooths out footage captured on bumpy roads, something rarely seen in dash cams. The enhanced night vision mode further boosts its performance in low-light conditions by capturing finer details that other cameras might miss. Additionally, the Nextbase 622GW supports rear camera modules that can be purchased separately, allowing users to record in full HD from the rear while maintaining 4K resolution on the front camera. The Nextbase 622GW also stands out for its smart connectivity features. It includes built-in Alexa support for voice commands and integrates with What3 Words, a geolocation system that pinpoints your exact location within a 3-meter radius. This can be particularly useful during emergencies or accidents in remote areas. The emergency SOS feature is another lifesaver. It automatically contacts emergency services with your location if a severe impact is detected. While testing this dash cam, we appreciated its intuitive app interface and dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity, 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz, which made transferring videos quick and hassle-free. However, one minor drawback is its lack of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, like lane departure or forward collision warnings, features found in some competitors at this price range. Number 2. VIOFO A229 Pro. The VIOFO A229 Pro takes dual-channel recording to a whole new level with its ability to capture 4K Ultra HD footage from the front camera alongside Full HD recordings from the rear camera simultaneously. Equipped with Sony Starvis sensors and DOL HDR, digital overlap high dynamic range technology, this dashcam delivers exceptional video quality both day and night. The front camera's wide dynamic range ensures vibrant colors during daytime drives, while retaining crucial details in low light conditions without excessive noise or glare. One of its most impressive features is intelligent parking mode, which works similarly to Tesla's Sentry mode. When hardwired into your vehicle's power system, it activates as soon as you turn off your ignition, monitoring your car for impacts or motion while parked. During testing, this mode proved highly effective at capturing incidents like door dings or attempted break-ins, providing peace of mind when leaving your car unattended. The A229 Pro also includes G-sensor functionality that locks critical footage during sudden impacts or movements to ensure it isn't overwritten during loop recording. Its GPS logger captures vital data such as speed, location, and timestamps for each video file, essential information in case of disputes or insurance claims. Another standout feature is voice control functionality combined with Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free operation, a major convenience while driving. You can even manually save specific moments using a Bluetooth shutter button if you prefer not to rely solely on voice commands. At the top of our list is none other than Garmin's latest dash cam, a compact yet powerful device that redefines what modern dash cams can offer. This model records in Full HD HDR resolution with exceptional clarity across various lighting conditions thanks to advanced image processing technology. Its standout feature is live view streaming via Garmin's smartphone app, allowing you to monitor your vehicle remotely from anywhere using your phone. The Garmin Dash Cam is incredibly easy to set up thanks to its magnetic mount system and adjustable lens angles that ensure optimal coverage regardless of vehicle type or size. During testing, we found its parking mode particularly impressive. It activates automatically when motion or impact is detected near your car while parked without requiring additional hardwiring setups. Another highlight is Garmin's voice control functionality that lets you operate key functions hands-free by simply speaking commands like save video or start recording. This makes it safer to use while driving compared to models requiring manual input through buttons or touchscreens. What truly sets this dash cam apart are its smart connectivity features. Real-time alerts via Garmin Drive app keep you informed about incidents involving your car, even when you're away. Integration with cloud storage ensures important recordings are securely backed up online. Compatibility with Amazon Alexa adds another layer of convenience by enabling voice-controlled navigation music playback alongside dash cam operations seamlessly.